Hey everybody, this is your 2-minute tutorial on how to use Collaborate Ultra to create a welcome video. So to get started, you're going to choose Collaborate Course menu. From there, you'll choose Course Room and then Join Course Room. Once you're in your course room, you're going to want to set up your audio and your video. So you'll click on the mic to turn on your audio, and you'll click on the video to turn on your video. It will allow you to preview your video. Once you're ready, you'll click Share Video, and then you'll see your thumbnail video come up on the bottom left. As soon as you start recording, it will be full screen here in the media space in the middle. So to start your recording, you'll click on the menu in the top left. You'll click Start Recording. You'll see your video comes full screen, and you'll have a message saying that this session is being recorded. You'll welcome everyone, and then when you're finished with your video, you simply go back to the session menu in the top left, click Stop Recording, and that's it. You can leave the session by clicking the menu and then scroll to the bottom and click Leave Session. And then when you're finished, you can just select Excellent, or you can skip this step. And then that's closed. You can actually X out of that. And in the next video, I'll show you how to access that recording to use it in your Blackboard course. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.